Show me camel. 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 Where's the camel? Rabbit. Very good. Turn the page. Where's the horse? Horse. Show me a horse. Good girl. Where's the sheep? Very good. Turn the page. Where's the cow? Where's the goat? Mama, where is the goat? Goat, goat. Cow. Where's the cow? Very good. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Mama. Where is the dog? Show me a donkey. Mama, where is the donkey? Show me a donkey. Good girl. Hand, hand, hand. Very good. Turn the page. Turn the page, Mama. Itu. Where is the duck? Where is Ilma? Very good. Turn the page. Where is yak? Very good. Where is yak? Yak. Where is yak? Mama, undu. Where is yak? Yak. Show me a yak. Turkey. Where is turkey? Very good, girl. Where is a duck? Very good. Donkey. Donkey. Buffalo. Where is a buffalo? Very good. Where is a hen? Hen. Good girl. Where is a dog? Dog, Mama. Dog. Good. Where is mule? Very good. Where is a rabbit? Where is a rabbit? Good girl. Where is a cat? Where is a cat? Mama, show me a cat. Rabbit. Where is a rabbit? Show me a rabbit. Mama.